Have you ever wondered if your phone might be the last one you ever buy? What if the next big thing isn't in your pocket but on your wrist, your finger, or even clipped to your shirt? That's the promise of iWearables. And today we're jumping ahead to 2026 to see the breakthroughs that could change everything. So, why is this happening now? We're all a bit tired of staring at screens, right? We want technology that feels more natural, more seamless. Think about all the data our current wearables collect: steps, sleep, heart rate. Right now, we have to dig through apps to understand it, but with the eye, that data gets a user manual. The AI will interpret it for you, telling you not just that you slept poorly, but why and what to do about it. It's a shift from just collecting data to getting real, actionable intelligence. It's about moving from a device you constantly have to interact with to a helpful companion that works in the background. And the devices themselves are getting seriously cool. You've probably seen the buzz around smart rings like the Ultrahuman Ring, which packs incredible health tracking into a tiny package. Then there are the AI pens, like the one from Humane or the new Memories. AI Pin, designed to be your personal AI assistant without a screen. They can answer questions, translate conversations, and even capture moments for you. And we can't forget smart glasses, which are getting sleeker and more powerful. Big names like Garmin and Fitbit are already deep in the AI game, and you know Apple is likely cooking up something revolutionary. Will it be a foldable device or a completely new kind of wearable? By 2026, the market will be filled with these next-generation gadgets. So what does this actually mean for your day-to-day life? Imagine getting a quiet nudge from your ring that says your stress levels are rising and suggests a quick breathing exercise. Or asking your iPin for directions and having them appear subtly in your smart glasses without ever pulling out your phone. This is what we mean by disappearing technology. It's there when you need it and invisible when you don't. These wearables won't just talk to you. They'll connect to your smart home to adjust the lights when you're winding down, or sync with your car to play your favorite podcast as soon as you get in. It's a future where your technology understands your context and assists you proactively. But the big question is, should you buy one? Let's be real, it's a mixed bag right now. On the plus side, being an early adopter means you're at the forefront of the next tech wave. These devices could genuinely improve your health, focus, and productivity by reducing screen time and providing personalized insights. But there are downsides. Privacy is a huge one. How much personal data are you comfortable sharing with these devices and the companies behind them? Plus, this is still early-stage tech. It can be buggy, expensive, and the first versions are often just a glimpse of what's to come. My advice? While 2026 looks to be a huge year for AI wearables, the decision to jump in depends on you. If you love new tech and can accept the risks, go for it. If you're more cautious, it might be better to wait and see how things shake out. To wrap it all up, AI wearables aren't just a fad. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. We're moving away from the screen-centric world of the smartphone and into an era of integrated, intelligent assistants. While they might not completely replace your phone overnight by 2026, they will undoubtedly be a major part of our lives. The future of personal tech is becoming more personal than ever, and it's happening faster than you think. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think the future holds. See you next time.